Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today, we want to go into a page we found that has an update on the parking lot sale, the Icon Quinn sockets, 35% off. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, checking out the merch store, maybe becoming a member. Support the channel. We're over 23,000 subscribers, trying to get to 24,000. Let's go. But here we have it. On the website, Icon and Quinn sockets promotion. Doesn't get more clear than this. When we did our last video on the Icon sockets, we only included sockets, but now we have some of the sets. And it's right here on the website. Again, not 100%. Once the digital flyer is out, clickable link should guide us well. But even then, sometimes the clickable ad will update. But anyways, grain of salt. But this seems pretty clear. Icon and Quinn sockets promotion, 65 items. I think last time when I did the videos, roughly 54 items. But let's jump in to the new items that we didn't cover in the last sockets video. And starting with Quinn. Quinn 1/4-inch drive, SAE, and metric chrome socket and ratchet set. She's a beauty. 21 piece, $21.99. Inside track deal right now, 22% off. Not too bad. But we got 35% off coming during the parking lot sale. We have 1/4-inch drive, socket set with high visibility markings for quick identification. All Quinn hand tools come with lifetime warranty. 72 teeth ratchet quick release. Metric from 5 to 14, no skips. 5 millimeters to 14 millimeters. And then SAE is a little bit harder to calculate, but 3/16, 7/30 seconds, 1/4-inch. 3/16 inch through the 9/16 inch for SAE, chrome vanadium steel. And we have $22, already a decent deal. Great ITC price already, but we want parking lot sale. And at parking lot sale, it's going to be 35% off. So you're going to get it down to $14.30 compared to Husky, which is interesting. But for a Quinn 1/4-inch drive, SAE and metric chrome socket set, 21 piece. Solid, simple ratchet to have around the house. That's a great deal. And of course, going up in size, a 3/8 inch. This is at $29. Also a 21 piece high vis set. Again, a 3/8 of an inch. Lifetime warranty. This goes from 10, does skip 18 millimeters. 19 is here, and does skip 20 and 21 millimeters, up to 22 millimeters, and from 5/16 inch all the way up to 7/8 of an inch. Also 72 teeth in the ratchet. Quick release, yes. 21 pieces. This is at $29, but at 35% off, getting it down to $18.85. Excellent deal for a 3/8 inch, and this is compared to Cobalt. Quinn, love us some Quinn. And then, of course, the 1/2 inch option, $32.99, $33 essentially. Nice grip. But here we have the 1/2 inch drive, same socket set with high vis markings, quick identification, quick size identification, lifetime warranty. The specs on this for SAE's 3/8 of an inch all the way up to 15/16 of an inch. And for metric, it goes from 10 up to 24 millimeters, but it does skip the 16, 18, 20, 21, and 23 millimeters. So just FYI for the 1/2 inch, but that's at $33. And if we get it 35% off, we can get down to $21.45 compared to Craftsman. So already these would be excellent pickups if they're included in the parking lot sale. But of course, it says Icon and Quinn sockets promotion. So that's the information we're going with, just so we're prepared for the parking lot sale. So that's the 1/4-inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch high vis Quinn ratchet sets, 21 piece, and then we're going. Next, Quinn 3/8 inch drive, SAE, and metric high vis socket set, 35 piece socket set from Quinn with high vis markings, provides effortless size selection. So you're getting a little bit more in one. At the 3/8 inch, 35 piece chrome vanadium steel, maximum strength and durability, 72 tooth ratchet, includes a spark plug socket, extension bars, a U-joint adapter, and a heavy-duty blow-molded storage case, which I guess they all come with storage. So this has a few extras that this strictly socket sets did not have. This is at the 3/8 inch ratchet, 72 tooth. And of course, you get a good set of sockets. Of course, lifetime warranty. SAE goes from 1/4 inch up to 7/8 of an inch, and the metric goes from 10 millimeter to 22 millimeter with some skips at 16, 18, 20, and 21. And then they have the SAE deep sockets from 1/4 inch to 13/16 of an inch. So 10 SAE standard sockets, 9 metric standard sockets, 10 SAE deep sockets, 2 spark plug sockets, and 2 extension bars, and a U-joint case. So this is an all-around pickup at $40. Definitely an interesting option, but that's $40 not discounted. So at 35% off, getting it down to $26. Again, compared to Craftsman, solid deal for a nice little high-vis socket set from Quinn. Can't be mad. We keep going. Here's the Quinn. This has 3 ratchets. Quinn, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. SAE metric high-vis socket set. 66 piece. So it's like we're going Super Saiyan. We're going to the next level. Compared to Gear Wrench, 66 piece socket set, complete set with a wide selection of sockets. The 72 inch, 72 tooth, quick release ratchets, durable chrome vanadium steel, high vis, 26 1/4 inch sockets and 28 3/8 inch sockets and 6 1/2 inch sockets. 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch extended bars included. Chrome finish, chrome vanadium steel. 3 ratchets, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. 26 1/4 inch sockets, 27 3/8 inch sockets, 6 1/2 inch sockets, 3 extension bars at 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch heavy duty. Okay, so again, an all around great option for a socket set with a variety. Here they say great for keeping the truck in the truck under the seat. Great set for the price. Imagine 35% off. Bueno, bonito, barato. Good, pretty, cheap. 5 stars. Much better than expected. 5 stars. So great reviews. And at $60 already, again, a good deal compared to Gear Wrench. But at 35% off, get it down to $39. $39 for 3 ratchet set and a smorgasbord of sockets. Excellent deal. But we keep going. Icon 1/4 inch drive compact socket and bit set. And actually, I have the memory of a goldfish. So forgive me, but I do believe this was included in one of the last socket promotions. And this is the new meme tool that's included. Pretty pricey, $80, but it's an Icon Alert 52 piece. Durable locking flex head ratchet, ergonomic spinner handle extensions, high strength universal joint, and full selection of the most commonly used bits, 1/4 inch sockets. So if you don't have one of these, this is going to be a great time to pick up the new Gen 2 meme tool compared to Mac tools at $250. And that's when it's $80. Has shallow sockets, torque bits, hex bits, Phillips, slotted bits, of course, lifetime warranty. And at $80, but 35% off, getting it down to $52. I think this has gone down when it was 40% off. It was like what, roughly 40, well, just over $40. But $52, it's a decent deal. Still pricey for a mini set. But if you want to pick it up, this would be the time to pick it up. Doesn't look like we'll be getting necessarily 40% off anytime soon. We're probably in the 35% zone. But $52 for the Icon 1/4 inch drive compact socket and bit set, 52 piece. We keep going, slightly lower in price here. But now we're back to Quinn 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric master socket set. And this, of course, is available in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. So this is $55. And this is the master socket set. So it comes with, again, a full assortment of deep and standard sockets from 5/32 of an inch to 9/16 of an inch. And then on the metric side from 4 millimeters to 14 millimeters. And it includes a 90 tooth ratchet for easy access to tight spaces at $55 compared to Tecton. And at $55, get this down to $35.75. Excellent deal. Of course, we'll look at the 3/8 inch. This is the master socket set for the 3/8 inch drive, SAE and metric 72 piece. So deep and standard sockets from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, and then from 6 millimeters to 24 millimeters, 90 tooth ultra thin ratchet, again for easy access, 2 extension bars, universal joint, ultra thin sealed head ratchet carrying case, chrome vanadium, 90 tooth, $113, but at 35% off, getting it for $73.45, saving almost $50. Again, compared to Tecton, excellent choice, 3/8 inch drive SAE and metric master socket set, and then of course the 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric master socket set. This is an 83 piece, $155. Deep and standard sockets from 3/8 of an inch to 1 5/16 of an inch, 10 millimeters to 32 millimeters, 90 tooth ratchet. Just gives you that extra size and variability. Of course, lifetime warranty. 39 shallow sockets, 39 deep sockets, 2 extension bars, breaker bar, universal joint, ultra thin sealed head ratchet carrying case. Comes with a breaker bar. That's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. Fan-flippin-tastic. $155 compared to Tecton. And at $155, 35% off, getting it down to $100, just over $100, saving almost $60, $100.75 for the 1/2 inch drive and metric master sockets at 83 piece. We keep going back to Icon alert. The 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 48 piece, $120. Of course, comes with the ratchet, extension adapters, shallow sockets, deep sockets, and premium case and foam trays. Love the foam trays. That is absolutely excellent. That's the quarter inch at $120. I feel like this has gone up in price. I might be wrong. This is, of course, compared to Snap-on. Save $1,000 compared to Snap-on. That's absolutely nuts. But at $120, at 35% off, getting it down to $78. $78 for an Icon 1/4 inch general service socket set. You could do worse than this. That's excellent. Quinn is very enticing though, but you can't go wrong with either one. $78. Get this 1/4 inch drive, the premium foam. That's beautiful. And then of course the 3/8 inch version, 3/8 inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 54 piece, full selection of sizes to get most jobs in the shop or garage done. Premium ratchet with no skip sizing. So of course the 3/8 inch ratchet, extension and adapters, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch, shallow sockets, deep sockets, both SAE and metric. And then of course the premium case and foam trays. Of course, lifetime guarantee, and at $160, saving surprisingly, not as it says compared to Snap-on, but saying it's only $382. That just boggles my mind that the 1/4 inch one you're saving $1,000. The 3/8 inch you're only saving $382. Something's wrong. But anyways, at $160 and 35% off, get it down to $104. So just shy of being under $100. $104, save almost $60 on the 3/8 inch Icon SAE and metric modular general service socket set, 54 piece. And then rounding out the ratchet socket sets is the Quinn 3/4 inch drive SAE ratchet and deep impact, great movie, socket set, 21 piece at $250 compared to Clutch. This rugged socket set comes with a 3/4 inch drive ratchet, full assortment of deep impact sockets, impact extension, swivel adapter, and a square bud socket, making it great for heavy duty automotive service and repair. Look really nice at $250. Of course, lifetime warranty. 24 teeth is interesting. 7/8 inch to 13/16 of an inch square bud impact socket for inner cap nuts. 5 inch and 10 inch impact extension bars. 3/4 inch drive. 19 3/4 inch ratchet swivel socket adapter. And this is just SAE. I don't see the metric, but at $250, get it down 35%, get it for $162. So saving about $90, almost $90 off. $162.50. And those are potentially, again, I don't see how this could be wrong. Icon Quinn sockets promotion right on the website. Let me know what the HARBROs think. We'll confirm As soon as the clickable ad is out, we'll compare and contrast. But let me know if these excite you in the comments. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.